Hello and welcome to another fittingsites.com screencast tutorial. In this tutorial we are actually not going to use WordPress. We're going to cover how to crop your images to make them right size for WordPress. We're going to use a free online software editing application called Picnik. This allows you to edit your images online, and it's a product of Google. So it's one that works pretty well, and we think it's going to be around for a while. So here we clicked on Get Started to go ahead and load up the Picnik interface. And there we go. We see that we have our app finally loaded. And now all we need to do at this point is upload the photo that we want to work on by clicking on the Upload Photo link. And here what we're doing is we're going to grab an image that's on our computer to upload it, and this is an image that we are going to be using for the featured slider on the home page of a site, and that featured slider needs an image that is a exact size. And so we're going to go ahead and click on the crop button, and you can see that by dragging this crop window around, it actually affects the size of the image in pixels, and you can see that changing as we move it around. And we need a particular size actually for this featured content area of our home page. We need an image that is 430 by 300. So we can go ahead and enter 430 by 300, and it'll give us the exact size we need. If we click on this option here to scale the photo, it'll keep the crop box exactly the same ratio, and it'll keep the size exactly the same, 430 by 300. So we can now move this box around and try and get whatever fits into this area, and the application will go ahead and take care of the rest. It'll give us the image that's the proper size. So once we have everything looking okay, we're going to click on the OK button. And you can see while we're in here there's a couple of other options for autofix, rotate, exposure, colors. There's quite a few different options in here. I definitely recommend you taking the time to play around. You can certainly beautify your photos in here as well as get them the proper size. We're going to go ahead and skip right to Save and Share. And a lot of these options are set by default. JPEG being the image that we want to use, and the compression quality 8, that's very good. So the defaults for this are pretty good the way they are. No need to worry about them. We're going to click on Save Photo, and we're going to click OK. And in this case we're going to be overwriting our original. You could give it a different file name if you want to keep the original and have a separate copy that's cropped. But for now, we have now created an image that is perfect for us to upload to our WordPress site and use to create a featured image.